Alright, this could be the final ride on the mall elevator at Plymouth Meeting Mall. To UL. Alright, let's see if this hall entrance still works. Buttons are kind of sticky. Let's get a cab view. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this elevator. I mean, I'm sure someone somewhere out there will say that this elevator isn't really anything special, but in my eyes it is, because Dover vandal resistant buttons are really rare. Going up?
There's a lot of us we can read. Is Benny Holland here? What? Benny Holland here? No, it's like a satellite.
Here's your indicator. Alright, sorry about that. I had to give the elevator priority to a large group of people, but yeah. It would really suck if this mall was torn down, because I see it in it that this property has lots of potential, and I mean, I've seen the revitalization attempts made by adding the Legoland Discovery Center, as well as the indoor play areas and the portrait studio, amongst other things. But yeah, there will be a link to a petition in the description below to save this mall. Take one more ride, and then that'll be it. Coming in?
Going down, sir?
Yep.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Ah. Perfect.
Last night, one of the announcers on the game only had one black glove on most of the game. And people were Googling, why does he only have one glove on?
Go ahead.
All right, thank you. Okay, here we go.
Yep. Final cab view, everybody. There it goes, and that's it.